So the goal of marketing on a budget should be such that when you spend money to get a customer, you want the likelihood to be very high that that customer will keep doing business with you. Because if they keep doing business with you, it means you're not spending any more money to get that customer. The first cost you incurred on that customer is still what is serving you up until now, right? Compare that to a business that only survives on one-time customers. You get a customer, they buy from you, and you never see them again. What it means is that your business is on the treadmill, right? If you are not spending on customers, you are not going to make sales. If you are not spending on customers, you're not going to make sales. So all of a sudden, if something happens to your ability to get customers, your sales goes to zero. We saw this happen quite often during the COVID lockdown, right? Businesses that were dependent on one-time customers suffered a whole lot more compared to businesses that had loyal and returning customers. If you have loyal and returning customers, you are not spending any additional money to get those customers. They're already your customers. They buy from you out of habit. They buy from you because you've developed a relationship with them. They buy from you because they are dependent on you, right? That gives you several different levels of advantages compared to a business that is always looking for first-time customers to buy from them. So relationships will play a big part. If you don't want to keep spending money to get customers, you want to increase the likelihood that the moment you get a customer, a good chunk of your customers will stay with you and keep doing business with you, thereby reducing the cost of your marketing. Another key benefit is that it promotes sustainable growth, just like I told you, right? If you have loyal customers, you have customers that are returning, and you got these customers by marketing effectively and efficiently, that is a sustainable path for a company to grow. Compare that to a business that will not get customers until it does some kind of flamboyant marketing. The moment you run out of money or the moment you are limited in terms of your capital, you are really going to struggle as a business. So that doesn't serve you. So if you want to promote sustainable growth, you have to figure out ways that allow you to get customers without breaking the bank, without stretching your business financially, right? So there are some businesses that spend a lot of money to get their customers. And in terms of the financial risk, it's a lot, because remember, marketing is not always guaranteed. You may spend a lot of money hoping that you get a customer and you don't get that customer. If you don't get that customer, guess what happens? You've lost the money you put in the marketing. I give you the example of a business that I know of that paid a lot of money, a real estate company I know of, paid a lot of money to an influencer, hoping that that was the best way to attract customers to their business. He ended up flopping. They spent a whole lot of money and they didn't even make up to 30% of the amount of money they spent on that influencer. They didn't make that money back. So that was a huge financial risk. And that's because that approach to marketing put all their eggs in one basket. They took a lot of money. Evidently, they were not marketing on a budget. They took a lot of money, gave it to one person, an influencer. The influencer did his thing, but the results did not materialize, right? If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.